Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the charger and power source ready. Now plug the PD or QC3.0 adapter into the wireless pad and wall. Once done, place the pad flat where you won't move it and make sure the power LED lights. Position your S24 FE face up and align the phone's center with the charger's coil area. You should feel the magnets help. Charging typically begins within a second. If it does not, adjust the phone slightly left or right until the LED or screen indicates charging. Now optimize the process. Remove bulky or metal cases to ensure efficient coil coupling because extra material can cut power and cause heat. Make sure background apps are closed, and if you need faster charge, enable airplane mode or reduce screen brightness. Less power draw means quicker top-ups. If you plan to share power from the phone, toggle wireless power share in settings, but avoid doing both reverse charging and pad charging simultaneously. Keep airflow around the pad. Sustained high heat will throttle charging speed and efficiency. To finish, check the lock screen battery icon and the pad's LED. The S24 FE stops at 100% automatically to protect battery health. If charging doesn't start, unplug and replug the adapter. Try another high-power USB-C cable or adapter, and shift the phone by 0.5 centimeter. Coil alignment is often the culprit. If the pad or phone gets unusually hot, remove the case and pause charging, then restart the phone. Finally, clean debris from the pad surface. If problems
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.